Okay guys, I just bought this SSD from Amazon. It's by this brand named SSK. I think it's 256 gigabytes of storage, type C. So I'm hoping this will work so I can play Final Fantasy XIV online. So I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys. So this is it. Looks like a manual, cable, and the actual SSD. Oh wow, pretty small. Smaller than I thought, honestly. Nice, decent packaging. Wow, it feels somewhat heavy. Not very heavy, but like has some weight to it. SSK. It's pretty sleek. It matches my my MacBook. So yeah, let's try it out. Let's see if it works. If my computer M1 recognizes it. All right, guys. So I finally plugged in the SSK SSD into my MacBook Air 2020 M1. So with my M1, it didn't have any issue recognizing it. As soon as I plugged it in, it took a second for it to be like recognized right there. And you guys can see by the blue light that it's connected. Here, I actually checked how much Final Fantasy XIV took from the space. This is the game here. It took around like 100 gigabytes, so there's 156 gigabytes left. So I'll definitely recommend this if you guys need it for Final Fantasy. It works perfectly fine. I did lower the settings right here, so it doesn't look as detailed, but it works flawlessly. Even when I had the default settings, it was working completely fine. And I even have like a video running here, connecting to my adapter thing over there. So yeah, like I said, it does connect through here. You'll see the blue light once it connects, USB-C output, into this USB-C, which comes with this adapter that goes into USB, which connects to my adapter here, connects to HDMI, and it's all together. So yeah, guys, if you guys need an SSD for a cheap price, around like $51 after taxes and everything, this is like perfect, I would say. So you guys can even get like different sizes. So this would be perfect if you guys have like a MacBook, because it matches like the like metallic finish and the black and gray pretty much. So yeah, guys, definitely recommend this if you guys need an SSD for gaming or just for space for your MacBook. This is perfect. I'm pretty sure it would work with like other computers, like Windows computers. So yeah, either way, definitely happy with the purchase. Let me know if you guys are using this too. Comment below what you guys think about it. It's perfect for me. And thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.